Hi there, doing an open house this morning at 150 Round Ridge Road in Dollar Point. Let's go have a little walk through. This house is 1 story, perfect little cabin with a covered entry and a nice front porch. Come on into the living room with gorgeous vaulted ceilings. Showstopper fireplace there. Really nice layout in this home. Down the hall, there's a full bath and the first of 3 bedrooms, set up with a bunk. Continuing down the hall, access to the 2-car garage, 2nd bedroom. And last but not least, the 3rd master bedroom with nice setting on the back of the house, 2 closets, and ensuite bath. This home has upgrades including wood flooring, decorative paint, newer carpet, newer roof. Got a laundry here, and then we'll walk into the separate kitchen area and dining with a gas stove. But this kitchen is beautiful, so nice. Custom cabinets, leathered finish, granite countertops, island, and stainless steel appliances. Come on out the back here and you'll see the sunniest deck on the block. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, real nice sunny back deck, hot tub ready, flat level lot, really beautiful quiet setting here in Dollar Point, Tahoe City, California. If you have any questions about this home or any others, just click the link, get in touch, and I'm happy to help. Have a great day.